Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix not authorized to join error. So one of the things or one of the reasons why this is happening to you is because probably something within your settings. So I'm going to click on the settings here at the top right, and I'm going to just go ahead to the settings right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my privacy right here. In the privacy, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just double check if the communication are public. Okay, who can message me? It's anyone, everyone who can text me on the chat, friends, and who can text chat with me, friends. And I'm gonna make sure that all of my settings is on public, including the private server, right? And I'm gonna just make it everyone and who can join me in the experience, which is most important, and just who can see my inventory and everyone, right? And that should fix your problem. If it didn't, probably the game developer had made the game private. So you will need to contact the game developer and tell him or her that you need to change the settings from private server or private experience to the public, so you can join in. And if that didn't work out, or if it does, or if that person or if that game developer did it and still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna reinstall the Roblox app. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and download the Roblox app, right? And what that does is it's gonna force the Roblox to upload it to update it to the latest version, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.